All right, I'm going to do this right here, and I'm not giving the owner in the video. Don't give your name, your what do you want to go by?
Kamali.
Kamali, what do we have here?
We have a 1967 Corvette Stingray.
And last time it's been on the road was
2001.
2001.
Yeah,
All right.
2001.
He's my neighbor, and been wanting to videotape this car forever. And you want to just reveal the front of it, the side of it?
Whatever.
You just go ahead. I'll keep you off camera. I didn't know it's silver.
Yeah, it was yellow.
Come here, Hershey. Got a dog on my leash too. Side pipe. I forgot you told me about the side pipes. Yeah. Are these factory?
Yeah.
They did this back
Everything
then.
is factory on.
Hershey. All right. Look at that. So is the paint original?
No,
It's red. It's red at one time.
The original was yellow.
Yellow. All right. Well, this is all we're going to show today, but I just want to show the car and can I get a peek inside or?
I see the mothballs.
Oh, it does. We talked about that.
It seems to keep the clears out.
Yeah. All right. Wow. All right. All right. Just a teaser. We'll talk later, and it's a beautiful car. All right.